Father Episcopo is so impressed with the youth mass that we saw on the screen, and so he's asking who has a scheduled youth mass that they can go and participate on a Sunday mass. Who wants to invite them? Tomorrow, sino may youth mass bukas? Tomorrow, the next Sunday? Practically every Sunday we are free, except the Sunday yung September 3 or 2, we will be in Iloilo at the time. But other Sundays are free. So if you can prepare a youth mass, maybe it's a special mass, not necessarily a Sunday mass. So who wants to invite them, please tell me. Tell Father Gerbert to tell me. He wants to witness one youth mass because it's very close to the way they celebrate Mass in Brazil. Very active, very lively, very colorful. So he feels very impressed. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow Mass, scheduled youth Mass tomorrow? It's a tarde. It's a tarde. Tenemos misa para jóvenes. Tiempo misa jóvenes. Esta tarde, las parroquias, porque se celebra solamente una vez al mes.
We had the initiative also to run the Summer League and then the Santa Cruzan, and some are members of the choir in the parish who's handling us. Okay po, and then we attended the Christian Mass. Although it's very difficult in our part, we really had
Arthur and Mariles and the Gen Y. We have the recognition or recognizing the outstanding Gen Y.
Sa Marites ni Ate B.
Yes.
Ate MK, bagong image ka. Gusto ko yan. Yes, and Jara, what a number.
Yes, what a hot number for such a cold and gloomy morning.
Yeah, actually, this is my first time to see these faces, to see a lot of their soft and funny sides. I haven't seen that kind of moves way before sa mga projects na activities.
Oo, kasi sila yung
Alternate, I was alternate before I joined the congregation, and it was fun. And up to now, I'm living up to the life that St. Joseph and St. Joseph Marelo has entrusted to me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Ferdy. Now, isa namang bagets ang ating tatanungin.
Okay.
Ate, ikaw nakatingin ka sa akin. Bilang nakatingin ka sa akin, ano ang nararamdaman mo as of the moment? Kung marinig mo yung mga inspirational messages, makita mo mga marshals na nagsayaw sa harap mo in English.
Strictly in English,
Yes,
please.
please. Joke lang. Sige ate, feel free to express yourself. I'll be translating.
She's happy.
Kuya Ace, will you do the honors of translating her answer?
Right now?
Masaya po.
She's happy. I'm happy. Okay. Halata naman.
Happy.
Wow.
Parang nasa wawawi lang tayo.
Jara, I guess you have to ready yourself. Yeah. Okay. So, moving on to our program for this morning. I know you guys are excited for the coming presentation.
Our Witness is every second Sunday of the month, and we also have the JMY Scholars. We have we have 4 graduates already in high school, and then another 2 in this school year. And that's all. Thank you.
On the JMY President of Our Lady of the Rosary Parish. So our parish prays Father Reggie Pia together with Father Ming Cornell, Father Edmund Jorge, with Brother Edward Sibonga. And of course, here with us is our parish youth director, also the spiritual director of Morelos and Marites, Father Dennis Bex OSJ. So I prepared a short and simple AVP of our activities from the Morelos Alternates and Marites, the Joseph Marelo Marshals, and the JMY as a whole. So I hope you enjoy it.